As I move past the welcome text section, I have the featured properties module. This is the title, obviously, just featured properties, and it's showing the property list featured properties. So as you can see this, as I scroll past, I have my featured properties, that's my title, and these are the actual properties that are showing. So what is this featured properties module, or where are these being pulled from? Featured properties are from the property list section, and it's just a list of specific properties that you create. To find out more about how to do this and how to edit them, visit video 7, Manage Your Property Lists. Next tab down is Custom Search Module. You can see that mine is blank. I can create a custom search, but if I do this, I'll be leaving and I will have lost all my changes to the page. So if you want to find more about the Custom Search module, that will be in video 4, Create Custom Searches. As we're moving through, blog module, blog will be sent to all. You can change that to none if you do not plan on blogging. If you plan on blogging, then you can leave it as all for now. We will talk about the blog in later videos. And then the links module, useful links, you can see here is just saying blog row, which means it's just going to show your most current blog. If you don't have anything in your blog, nothing is going to show. Finally, the last section of the page is the featured video section. So you can see here my title is featured video, and then is a regular text box and it is blank. So if I want to add a featured video, I can come right here to the Insert Edit Media button, and I hit it and it jumps up with a box that says what is the source. And basically we have general, embed, or advanced. Most of us will be using general or embed. General is the easiest way. The source is just simply the URL. So I'm going to go to another tab I have here, and I already have a video brought up, and I'm going to just copy its URL, come back here, paste it. It's going to give me the dimensions of it. There's no need to change that, and then hit OK. Then you will see it shows up and is ready to go. As I scroll down, the last thing I am showing here is mortgage rate settings. So there's a mortgage rate that pops up on the bottom of your homepage. If for some reason you don't want that, you can click hide. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on. When you put text in for the first time, usually it will ask you at the bottom, just says that you certify you're the author of the text, and if not, you've obtained written permission to use the text. But go ahead and check this. And then I'm going to hit publish. So as I hit publish, it brings me back up to the top of the page. It shows me that I'm saved because it gives me this little green line with your page has been updated. And when I come back to my home page, you can see that nothing changed. And that's simply just because I have to refresh the screen. And then you will then see my background that I put in. My welcome text is there. My featured properties are there. And there is my featured video along with my sample mortgage rates.